Can you say hi, Grandma Chip, Grandma Julie, Grandpa Chip?
What?
I said, Grandma Julie, Grandpa Chip.
But you said Chip twice.
No, I didn't.
I think so.
No, I didn't. I have it on tape to prove you wrong. Hey, Blake. Hey, Blake. Blake, you got a cute little butt. Come see me. Follow Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Come on, big guy. Yay, Blakey. Now we have a little hard time on the hard floors because it's very slippery. How did he get across before?
Crawl.
You did? Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Come on, bud.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on. I know it's hard. You're making it. You're making it. Come on. It's just hard. Hard on those floors.
Come here. Come here.
Say, I'm a big boy. Have him come get you.
Blake,
Hi.
come here. He's like, nope, mom's first. She's right here.
Hey, buddy. Oh. Are you sleepy? Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. It's a close-up for Grandma and Grandpa. The cute little boy. Go get him. Go get him. Go.
Come here, buddy.
I can't get out of your way. Cheater. Cheater. Cheater.
Watch that corner. He's going to fall right into the...
What corner? Blake went on a swing today for the first time.
Hi.
He's crawling like a crazy boy. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Go get it.
His pacifier's wedged. Oh, work around it.
Let's see what he does when is he gonna crawl over? Ooh, that's a hard one, Blake. Don't get frustrated. What now?